Hi friends, after a lot of delay, finally the Tokyo 2020 Olympic is going to take place in a few days. Through this quiz, let's know about India's history at Olympics till now and give a tribute to all the athletes for their sacrifice and hard work.
If you have not subscribed to our channel QuizKids yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notification.
India's participation in Olympic Games started from which year? Answer is 1900. For the first time, India participated in 1900 Paris Olympic Games. In which year Indian men's hockey team participated in Olympic for the first time? Answer is in the year 1928. Who was the first person to win individual Olympic medal representing India before independence? Answer is it's Norman Pritchard. He was a British Indian who won 2 silver medals for 200-meter race and 200-meter hurdles in 1900 Paris Olympics. How many athletes represented India in 1900 Olympics? Answer is 1. Only Norman Pritchard represented India. Which Olympic achievement P.D. Chogle is associated with? Answer is fast marathon runner. He was the first marathon runner representing India in 1920 Olympics. He finished at 19th position in the marathon. Before independence, Indian men's hockey team had won how many Olympic gold medals? Answer is 3. Indian men's hockey team had won 3 Olympic gold medals before independence. First one was in 1928 Amsterdam, second one was in 1932 in Los Angeles, third one was in 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. Which Indian hockey player was called the wizard or magician of hockey? Answer is Dhyan Chand. He scored 37 goals in 12 matches in 3 Olympics. Who won the first Olympics medal for India in any individual sports category? Correct answer is Khasaba Jadhav. He won bronze medal in wrestling in 1952 Helsinki Olympic Games. Indian men's hockey team has won how many Olympics gold medals till now? Correct answer is 8. When was the last time Indian men's hockey team won gold medal in Olympics? Correct answer is 1980 Moscow. What is the best performance of Indian men's football team at Olympics? Correct answer is semi-finals. India's best appearance was at the 1956 Melbourne Olympics where the team reached the semi-finals. An Indian athlete lost bronze medal by 0.01 second, coming 4th in 1960 Rome Olympics. Who is that person? Correct answer is Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh, known as Flying Sikh, came 4th in 400-meter race. Recently he passed away. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer is Karnam Maleswari. She won bronze medal in 2000 Sydney Olympic Games. This Indian sportsperson won a bronze medal at the Olympics, a feat also achieved by his father. Who is he? Answer is Leander Paes. Leander won bronze medal in 1996 Atlanta Olympics, and his father Ves Pace was member of Indian hockey team, which won bronze in 1972 Munich Olympic game. Who has represented India at Olympics for a record of 7 times? Answer is Leander Pace. He competed in consecutive Olympics from 1992 to 2016, making him the first Indian and the only tennis player to compete at 7 Olympic Games. Who won the first ever Olympic gold medal for India in individual sports category? Correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. He won gold in 2008 Beijing Olympics in the category of 10-meter air rifle. In which event did shooter Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore won silver in 2004 Athens Olympics? Correct answer is double trap. At the age of 19 years, this Indian Olympian lost quarter-final match of her sport in 2008 Beijing. 4 years later, she came back bagging a bronze. Who is she? She is Saina Nehwal. Who is the only Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal? Correct answer is PV Sindhu. She won silver medal in 2016 Rio de Janeiro Olympic Games. In which Olympic Games India won maximum number of medals? Correct answer is in 2012. India secured 2 silver and 4 bronze medals in 2012. We have one question for you to answer. Here is the question. Who among the following Indian women were very close to win Olympic medal but lost it out? Here are the options. A. P.T. Usha, B. Deepa Karmakar, C. Anju Bobby George, or all of the above. Please answer in the comment section below. Please write your answer in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel QuizKids and press the bell icon for notification.
Please comment, like and share with your friends.